you have an opportunity to connect with your audience by putting out the content that serves them. What's up, creators? It's your boy TJ, and today is a very special day because today we are starting a new series on this channel called the Content Creation Crash Course. I'm trying to say that 5 times fast, aka the C4 series. And what the C4 series is all about how you can best create content for social media or YouTube videos. But first, let's talk about why it is important for you to create content. What exactly do I mean by that? So what creating content is simply creating something valuable for your target audience, people you want to see your content. And this can be in the form of YouTube videos, social media posts, blogs, podcasts, you name it. Everything is content nowadays. And the goal of each piece of content that you put out would be to either educate, inform, entertain, or inspire. It must serve a purpose. You can't be just out here putting content just because. Another reason why it's important to create content for your audience is that you have an opportunity to connect with your audience by putting out the content that serves them. First, you gotta know exactly what you're gonna talk about before you hit record. It is important to pick a topic which is the foundation of what you're going to talk about. So this can be either broad or very specific as long as you are catering to your target audience. So for example, if you're a gamer and you want to share your passion of a certain game to people who are a part of that community, and your content should be centered around that game, whether you're playing it, discussing it, reviewing it, or doing all three in one video. Now that you have your topic down, you may want to break it down into specifics. Now, this is where research comes into play, which is a key part of content creation. You gotta know what you're gonna talk about before you hit record. I cannot stress that enough. So, for example, if you're passionate about, let's say, marketing, there are a variety of topics you can talk about, from branding to email marketing to social media marketing, content creation, and advertising. However, since these topics are generally broad, this is where research comes in. A few guiding questions you can use for research are: what are the issues and pain points that your audience is faced with? How can you solve those pain points? And what are some trends in your topic of choice? A hack that I use is Google searching keywords that's related to my topic and showing the questions that pop up as my topics. Another tool you can use for topic generation is answerthepublic.com. And this one is honestly a game changer because it has so many topics you can talk about just off of one keyword search. It is crazy. I highly recommend you go check that out. Link in the description below. If this video provided value for you in any way, drop a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button for part 2 of the C4 series, where I will be talking about planning out your content. If no one else told you, you matter, and you were put on this earth to do great things.